Congratulations on taking the first step towards your better health. I'm Bunmi Daramaja, a pharmacist with 33 years experience. I offer consultation, coaching, and mentoring services to healthcare and business professionals. My mission is to empower individuals to reclaim their health and restore balance back to their bodies, leading to transformed life. Did you know that by age 35, we have lost half of our cell activities? And without action, by age 60, most of our cell activities will diminish. People are tired of relying on pills, injections, and invasive procedures that are expensive and have severe side effects, and it failing to deliver long-term results they're looking for. They are now realizing that health and vitality come from within. If you're here today or watching this recording, it suggests that you're seeking a solution to improve your health and well-being. And I understand your situation because I once was like you. I experienced it until I found something that significantly improved my health and well-being, transforming my life permanently. Here are a few individuals who have supported. Will you like to be one of them? These individuals have achieved remarkable health improvements using this innovative method. As a former retail pharmacist, I've learned that our bodies are consistently looking for resources to heal themselves from within. And this is why I'm an advocate for regenerative, non-invasive, holistic cell therapy. We are here to help improve your health and wellness without the need for drugs, injections, or any adverse side effects. I'll be your coach on this journey to restoring your health. Here is how you can reach me. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you achieve your health goals.